This is Darshana Gauchan with your daily news update for February 9th, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Japan's Nikkei headlined gains with a rise of 3.9%, hitting all-time highs as a resounding win for Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi whetted appetites for more reflationary policies. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 2.4%, while South Korea's tech-heavy index climbed 4.1%. Chinese blue chips rose 1.6%. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.32 points or 0.08% to 423.71. Total trade volume was up with 89,948 shares changing hands at a total value of 558.9 million real or almost $139,000. On the main board, 2 stocks were up with MJQ Education leading the market, while 4 stocks were down with Phnom Penh Autonomous Port as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, all 3 stocks were down as well. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real stayed flat at 4,033 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 97.44. Turning to global commodities, oil prices fell more than 1% on Monday as fears of a Middle East conflict eased after the US and Iran pledged to continue indirect talks about Tehran's nuclear program. Brent crude futures fell 1.2% to $67.21 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude dropped 1.3% to $62.73 US dollars. Gold and silver extended gains with the yellow metal trading just above $5,000 per ounce as the dollar dipped. Spot gold rose 0.9% to $5,004.61 US dollars per ounce after hitting a 4% climb on Friday. US gold futures for April delivery gained 1% to $5,026.30 US dollars per ounce. Looking at the crypto market, Bitcoin's price stabilized around $70,000 US dollars after a sharp V-shaped recovery from a recent low. Short-term rebounds are expected, but macroeconomic conditions may still lend to new lows later in the year. Moving on now to other business-related news. Cambodia and Laos have reaffirmed their commitment to strengthening cooperation across all sectors with a focus on expanding bilateral trade to reach $700 million US dollars by 2030. The Cambodian and Lao Prime Ministers met in Phnom Penh on February 7th during the Lao Prime Minister's visit to Cambodia for a trilateral meeting of party leaders from Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. The Cambodian Minister of Commerce met with the chairman of the Saudi-Cambodia Business Council, along with a delegation from the Saudi Chambers of Commerce on February 8th to discuss bilateral trade cooperation between Cambodia and Saudi Arabia. The Saudi delegation confirmed during the meeting that plans are being held to organize another official Saudi business delegation visit in the near future. Wing Shop and Cafe officially held a grand opening ceremony at Wing Tower, marking the simultaneous launch of 4 stores across Phnom Penh. The opening introduces a new generation convenience retail concept designed for modern Cambodian lifestyles. Wing Shop aims to redefine how customers shop for daily essentials quickly, seamlessly, and conventionally, while creating new business opportunities for local entrepreneurs through its franchise model. And that's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gauchan for B2B Asia News.